Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back, you guys. I just want to say a huge thank you to all of my new subscribers, everybody who's hit that subscribe button. Thank you so very much. YouTube is so much fun for me. I am having the time of my life. I absolutely love it. I love meeting and connecting with people who share the same interests and the same, love for luxury or fitness or fashion or beauty or lifestyle or any of those things as I do. That's typically what I cover on this channel: fitness, fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things, or maybe you're like me and you're like a unicorn and you like all of those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. To all of my new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the team. Okay, let's jump into this video, you guys, because you know I can talk, right? You know what I mean? I do like talking. Today's video, I'm sharing with you some of my favorite beauty products that I have been using, that I've recently, within the last month or so or two, picked up from Chanel. You know, Chanel is my absolute favorite brand of all times, hands down. I love Prada, I love Fendi, I love Gucci. Kind of obsessed with Gucci right now. Louis Vuitton, absolutely, but Chanel stills my heart. It just feels like it's me. If I were to ever have my own company, be a brand, be whatever, Chanel is where I would be. I don't know why, I just fell in love with it. I don't even know how it came about, you guys. I just absolutely fell in love with it, and I love Chanel. You guys, I have completely been obsessed with the beauty line a little bit, just a little bit. I recently picked up this. So this is the all over body spray by Chanel, number 5. It's called Rouge. Oh, number 5 Rouge Chanel Paris. I went to the store, I smelled it. It smells so good. I asked for a sample of the actual fragrance. I liked it, but I was like, I don't know. It was different. It smelled kind of powdery. It smelled kind of fresh, kind of clean, but still kind of sweet. I couldn't get the notes, the hues of, I just couldn't vibe with it at the current moment. I didn't know. I'm like, what is it? So all of a sudden I went, we were there, we were buying something else, and I said, let me go down and check out beauty. Went down, checked it out. They had this out there, and I go, let me smell it. And I smelled it, and I'm like, I like it. I like it. I said, okay, so I'm not gonna commit to the actual fragrance, the perfume, the eau de toilette, none of that. I said, let me just try this all over body spray first, and let me spray it. It's perfect for coming out of the shower. It's perfect for like if you're just wanting to mist yourself. It's an all over body spray, so I have sprayed this in my hair. I like to be able to mist myself with the fragrance and then get a whiff of my hair or this hair, and then it smells good. So I do like that. I do. It smells really good. It makes me happy. It smells very classy, very sophisticated, very elegant. You know all the things that I'm gonna say about Chanel already, right? Very classy, sophisticated, elegant. It was just very like me. And I love the spray. Watch this. Okay, you know I can't waste it. This is not cheap. Okay, I have none to waste, but just watch the spray. See how it just, oh, I like that. So it doesn't come out, some misters and spray bottles can be very heavy. It could come out very fast. It could come out very like forcefully, but this comes out just as a mister. So I like this. I did pick this up from the actual boutique at Chanel on Roselle, and I really love it. I have tried it, you guys. It's not long lasting. It's not gonna be something you can wear for a really long time. You're gonna be able to smell it, you know, maybe hours later. Not on me. That's not how it worked on me. I smelled it for probably about 3 or 4 hours, but very faintly, not strong, but I do like it. So I think I am gonna go back and actually purchase the perfume now, because I think if I layer them, they'll work really well together. So the top of the packaging just looks like this. It has the classic CC on it, like this, like that. So it just says Chanel number 5 Rouge. If you have not tried this, get this in your life. I actually really like it. If you can see that there, this is epitome. This is a top coat. I use this as a top coat. This is number 774. This is like gold, but it has little specks of glitter in it, so I really like it. And it is like a lip gloss, you know. This is the color that it looks like here, and it has little specks of glitter, but nothing you can really see. It's very faintly. And then this is what the thing looks like. This looks so cute in your purse, you guys. Like when you're taking it out to apply your lip gloss, it's all like, oh my God. So it's one of those. I'm gonna give a huge compliment to Chanel right now. I wear a lot of lip glosses. I am a lip gloss kind of gal, you know what I mean? Like I put this on for the sake of the video. Most of the times you'll see me in nudes, very minute colors, because I'm just, you know, that's just what I choose. But I like a pop of color every now and then. I'll put a pop of color on. Sometimes it could be very pretty and it could be very different. But I love to put on a nude and I'll just top it with something like this. The beauty about Chanel and about their lip gloss, and this is their Rouge Coco gloss, and this is just a top coat. Like I said, it's number 774. All the descriptions and all of the product will be in the description box below. So if you want to go and for the detailed look, I will try and put a link to it as well. Will be in the description box below. But I love this because, how do I explain it? This is such an awesome wand. It's full, it's thick, it's big, it's all of the above. Do you see that? This coats my entire lip. Just one application. I have color on, so I don't want to do this because it will get all over there. However, I will demonstrate on another one. This one application I can put on, and I don't have really huge lips. I mean, I find them to be, you know, medium size or what have you. But they are completely covered with just one of these. Just dipping it in once and pulling it out and then putting it on. It goes on. I have had some lip glosses that you put on, they're very dinky. This one's very stern, very firm, it's very strong. I feel like if I press it in, it's not gonna break, it's not gonna bend. So I can see that the packaging, I don't mind paying a little extra because these to me are kind of pricey. I think they're anywhere between $32 to $37, and that's kind of pricey for a lip gloss. Of course, we can get a lip gloss for like $2, $3 at Target, Walmart, Sephora, anywhere. No, Sephora probably not, but we can get a cheaper lip gloss. I don't mind paying for this because it's sturdy. The longevity as well, it stays on for about 2 to 3 hours. I may reapply it. Like I said, I'll use it as a topper. When I'm going to the gym, I'll wear it on its own. So I have kicked my Fenty Beauty to the side because I have been wearing this to the gym and I really like it. So if you guys are on the hunt for a lip gloss, I will say that this is totally worth it. The product is good. It's very nourishing. It's very hydrating. It's very pretty. It's very sparkly. It just gives me a little sense of fancy. You know that in my day-to-day life, I'm in the gym, so I like a little fancy in my day-to-day life, and this definitely helps with that. So if you're looking for a lip gloss, this would be a great one. There is another one. This is a limited edition. This is called, it's number 96. The color is called Magnolia. This is what this one looks like. This is number 96. This is in the color Magnolia. I was watching Lux of Paris. Hi, Lux of Paris, if you're watching, and At Home with Kylie, and they both mentioned this color in their, I think it was like their beauty faves or what have you, and I was already on the hunt to try this. So when I heard them mention it, I'm like, I definitely got to try it now. So shout out to both of you. I did try this. This is a very pretty summer pink that I'm looking forward to wearing. I think it's a very versatile pink as well. I think this color will look pretty on just about anybody or anybody. I don't know if you can really see it, you guys. I'm sorry, it's a cloudy day. I had to put the extra bright lights on just so that you could see me. But anyways, yes, this is such a pretty pink. It's very gorgeous. I love a nice pretty pink color, and it's not too much color. I'm gonna try and swatch this one so you can see. Look at that. Same type of lip applicator. It's not like you're gonna really see it. But it's not a lot of color. But did you see how it just topped the lips there? Did you just see the shine? Like, ooh, right? I love it. Let me see if I can swatch it on my hands just so you can get like a little bit of a, it's not a whole lot of color, okay? It's not gonna give you a whole lot of color, but if you can see it there, it's very faint. Here's where I applied it. My swatches need help. You guys, I'm gonna work on my swatches, I promise you. I promise, but I don't think that's too bad, right? You could see that a little bit, right? So that's it right there. That's where the swatch is. It's not a whole lot of color. There's no whole lot of specks of glitter or anything in there. It's very faintly, you can see the glitter, and I really, really like that. So this is great. If you're looking for a lip gloss and you're like, oh, nothing stays on, it comes off all the time. I put it on, no matter how much I put it on, I have to reapply. This stays on for like 2 to 3 hours. I'm not drinking or eating anything during that time, but this stays on. Like I said, this is in the color number 96. The color name is Magnolia. This is from the Rouge Coco Gloss. It's very vibrant, it's very, you know, very glossy, it's very moisturizing. I really like it, so I picked up these 2 glosses because I absolutely love those. Okay, so we have those 2 glosses there. Everything will be in the description box, you guys. I won't leave you hanging, I promise. And then another thing, oh, my essay there, he gave me some eye patches, and these are reusable. I was very excited to get these because I don't know, I told you guys on my Snapchat, like, I hate sleep. So I really don't sleep at night, and I'm getting these bags on my eyes. Oh my god, it's so bad. And it's like turning, like if I go, ah, it looks like I have like wrinkles there, and it just are bags from not sleeping. So he's like, first of all, you need to learn how to get some sleep, and by the way, while you're at it, try these. So I cannot wait to try these. If anybody has tried these, let me know. This is from the Le Fifth. These are Flash Eye Rejuvenator patches. So I'm super excited to try these. If they work, I will be ordering some, and I will let you know for sure. So my other absolutely fave that I'm obsessed. Oh, one more lip product. Okay, how many lips do you have, girl? Just one set of lips, but I like them to be hydrated. I picked this up. This is the Rouge Coco Shine, and it's like an iridescent. This is number 136. This is a very hydrating sheer lip shine, okay? And it's just what it says. It's very hydrating. This is a lip sheer shine. Now, I put this on, so I prep my face, I prep my skin, I do everything that I need to do to my face, and then I apply this, or I'll apply something else, but I've been using this because I really like it since I've received it, since I got it lately. And I put this on, and then I just do all my makeup, and then when I'm ready, I'll just take my lip liner, do it, and put something on top, and it keeps everything very nourished. No cracking, pilling, chap, none of those kind of lips, you know, because my lips are very thirsty, so they need a lot of hydration. So I do a lot of lip products. So here's what this looks like. Oh, I love the packaging. You know I love this. This looks so cute coming out of your purse, you guys. Absolutely promise you, it's like the cutest thing on the table when I go to reapply. So that's what this looks like. And then it just has a cute little standard packaging, the gold and black. You know I love gold, you know I love black. Iridescent color, so it's very clear. There is no color to it. It's very clear. This is the packaging, and then if I was to swatch it on me over here, it would just be like a shine. Iridescent shine. Do you see that? It's super pretty, right? Remember, I just did it. Okay, you guys, I can't waste it. Just a very tad bit, okay? There it is. It's very pretty though. So I use this right before I get ready to put on my lip product. I apply this first, let my lips get all nourished and hydrated, and then I'm good to go. All right, moving on. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been using this. I absolutely love this. I ordered this from an event that I went to, and I actually got, what, 10% off? So I think this generally retails for $55 or $50, and I think I got it for like $10 or 10% off. So that was really good. Yes, it's a lotion. It's a very fancy lotion. Sure, you can go and get any other lotion and just put it on for like $2-3, and it would probably be the same. It wouldn't be the same. It's not Chanel, but I'm pretty sure it would hydrate your hands. However, we know this by now. I am extra. I love Chanel. So yes, I went out and I got this lotion, and I like it. The little thing comes off just like this. It comes in the form of like a little egg. It's super, super cute. It's so cute to put in your handbag. It works perfect in my crossbodies. I can put it in there with no problem. This just simply twists and pops right off like that. And then this comes out like this. Let's see if I can show you. And it just squirts out like that. And it is just like this. So it's hydrating, it's long lasting, it's really good. It's non-greasy. That's what I love about it. It's non-greasy, but it definitely moisturizes your hands, and I generally love for my hands to be moisturized. My skin is very dry because I'm constantly washing my hands all the time, so I need some form of hydration. It's supposed to help with like lightening your hands and skincare for your hands and everything like that. However, I just like it It's very lightly scented, not a whole lot of scent coming from it, but it smells fresh, it smells clean. I love it. It's great. If you want to try it, I definitely recommend it. However, it's not magic lotion, it's just lotion. I've only been using it for about 2 weeks or so, and in those 2 weeks I really like it. That's my take on it and what I can give you from it. However, I will continue to use it, and if there's any real magic I see from it, I'll let you know. But I did pick up this one as well. Why? Because this is an exclusive. This is a limited edition. I don't know if they're gonna stick with this. This is a number 5 Chanel lotion, and this is a hand cream. This one is a little bit different from this one. You know, they're 2 different types. This is more hydrating. This actually has a scent to it, and this is supposed to be an all over hand cream. Like, you can use it all over. I mean, if you use this very far, you're not gonna get far with this. So let's open it up. I used the sample in the store and it smelled really nice, so I decided to give it a try. I'm probably gonna go back and get another one, because whenever something is a limited edition or hard to find, I don't know why that makes me want it even more. Are any of you like that? Like, if something is a limited edition, if it's hard to find, if you can't get your hands on it, I'm like, oh, I need it, I want it. I think I'm a chaser. I think I'm a girl that likes to haunt things and then like, oh my god, I got it. I think I'm one of those. I don't know. But this is what this packaging looks like. It's really cute. You know, it's very nice to have in your handbag or have in your collection. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get another one because they said it's a limited edition. They did say, my essay said, however, if the line goes really well and they do really well, it'll probably come back. But right now it's going, you know, known as a limited edition. So I don't know how long they're gonna have this. This retails for about $10 more than this one here. This one goes for about $60, and this one is probably $50, I believe. This is $50 and this is $60. So if you want to get your hands on it, I do believe you can order it online, or you can get it at the boutique itself, or you can get it at a Chanel. So, and then this just twists off the same way as the other one. It comes in the same form, just like the little egg. Super cute there. And I tried this in the store. This is the first time I've ever opened this here, and it squirts out the same way. Very nice. And oh god, though, I love the smell. Oh yes, I've got to get another one of these. And it's so soft. It's non-greasy. It's not like you're putting grease on your hands. A little bit goes a long ways. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Now all I need to complete the package, I've got to go back and get the fragrance, you guys. I have to. That wraps it up for me. My camera's getting ready to die. If you like fitness, fashion, beauty, luxury, or lifestyle, please make sure you hit a big thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here. You know the drill. Until next time, be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye.